Yeah, it's Beth gets the ball and chain.
And I was mad because it wasn't my first. Oh. And it was like, it's supposed to be easier.
I had a kidney stone when I was 22, and the lady at the x-ray thing, she said, now this is what a woman feels when she's having a baby. I said, well, a woman's crazy for having more than one baby, but that hurts.
Okay, zeros. Oh, nice shot. Thanks. 1-0. 2.
Good one, Mike.
I can't bend it.
It's a good spot.
It stops. 0-1. We have 1.
0, 1, 2.
Mike, I don't think you can do that. Boy, they have been brilliant tonight, haven't they?
1-0. 2.
I got it.
Go. Good rally.
Good rally.
Serve that, Nancy.
She
Tristan,
served.
side out.
Yeah, side out.
This side out.
0-2.
What'd you say, Bob?
That was good.
Oh,
Good
yeah.
rally. Good volley.
0-2. 1-1.
Zero, 2. 2.
Oh, Nancy,
No, it's fine. It was your corner.
you were right there. My bad.
1, 2. Thanks, man.
No, that was fine. It was your
1,
fault.
2, 2.
Good one, Mike.
Good game.
Yeah, they've been fun.
Two, 2.
We can actually aim that right behind you every single time. Every time he's done it, it's been behind.
Yeah.
3, 2, 2.
quit playing Nancy.
2-3.
Yep.
2-3. 1.
You know, I've been having to drop it over there. She's a lefty, and I'm like, no. The last minute, I'm like, no, I don't want to go over there. Where are we?
2-3-2.
2-3-2.
Oh, nice try, Nancy.
Move your feet first. Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh, come on, let's go in.
Yeah, how? 3-2-2.
Oh my goodness, good
That was a
shot.
great serve.
Oh, she got killed herself. That
Oh.
was good.
Right at the corner.
Yeah, I was ready to call
As a
out,
lefty?
and it was like,
Yeah, and then,
2-2.
That's out.
see that? See how much
Yeah.
it, once it hits, it just.
5-2-2.
Coming down, Nancy.
Hard turn.
okay, off it.
Hard turn.
2-5. 1.
Oh.
That was a good lob though, Mike.
Not good enough.
Or hit-
Yeah, it was a pretty good. I got back.
Yeah. Yeah, good.
3-5. 1.
Bingo!
Oh my goodness. Yeah, really good.
Okay, 3-5-2.
3-5 and a 2.
Out.
Jeez.
4-5-2.
Under.
How long have you had to wear the braid?
I've been wearing it pretty much since I got here.
5, 4, 1. That
Okay.
dribble.
I didn't think so, but yeah,
Gotta
but during
go.
I only wear it when I play pickleball now.
5-4-2.
You.
Oh shoot.
Bingo!
Oh! It was just barely long. Did you see it long? I did. I thought it was long.
Can't see it.
Where was it?
You were serving. You served to me, didn't you? At 5, 4, 2. Well,
We have 5.
we got
She
5.
served. I think she's.
Yeah, Beth served, so it's side out.
Side out 4-5-1.
Yeah. Four, 5. 1.
Good
Sorry.
one.
No
Wanted it behind her.
It's hard to remember when somebody's left
I
hand.
know.
It is. I'm terrible at that.
It's really.
4-5-2.
Oh, Mike!
Nice, Mike.
Holy
Look
smokes!
at Mr. Nonchalant.
Yeah, well, it's from him playing with all them little young bucks at Coca-Paw over there.
You should have seen him moving for a couple of lobs.
They hit hard.
Shots.
Good shot, Mike.
5, 4, 1. Now watch me put the serve into the MPR.
Okay.
5, 4, 1. Didn't quite make it.
542.
Jeez, that's out.
Good serve.
It was, yeah.
I think it's right on.
So sorry.
Boy, put her and Dottie on the same side.
Even with their hard serve.
Oh man.
That puts us
Go,
at
Mike,
that
go!
Oh, I touched the net, folks.
Oh, you touched
You
it.
didn't touch it. You
She ran
abused
into
it.
it. She bounced off it.
There's touching, and then there's P. Diddy in the net.
4-6. 1. I knew you
Nice
were
shot,
doing that.
Mike.
Yeah, I was dumb putting it there.
4-5-2.
4-6.
4-6-2. I'm sorry.
You.
They've got matching paddles.
Nice drop there, Tracy.
Thank you. We're sixes. I'm
No,
sorry.
5, no.
5-6. 5-6. 2. Right?
Ah,
Oh, come on.
thank you, Mike.
Michael, I had 5
Mike's gonna
seconds.
kill us with that.
Okay.
6-6-2. Good shot, Mike. Good spot.
And I think about trying to play without it, but I don't dare till after that weekend.
6-6.
Forgot you were left-handed there, Beth. My apologies.
I think she gets that a lot.
I didn't want to
I keep saying the same thing. Oh, I'm sorry. 6-6. 1.
Good one, Mike. It'll be a good hand.
Likes to win like a man possessed.
Yeah, he's fine.
6-6-2.
Nice one. Look at home.
You. Six, 2.
Out.
Yeah. Yeah, I was just watching.
6-6. 1.
Sorry. Ah.
Nice placement, Tracy.
Thank you, sir.
Now I got off
Okay. Coming back
Oh,
to you.
7-6. 1. Thanks.
If I was real quick, I'd have yelled. I'm pretty slow.
Boy, if you're saying you're slow, I can't wait to see when you talk about me.
8-6. 1. I don't know why did that, but I found it here.
8-6-2.
Oh, nice shot.
Man, I can't get anything by him.
Tracy, I've gotten so slow, I gotta resort to playing darts.
9-6-2.
Oh, shoot. Oh!
Buck fever.
Thank you.
A little wild.
Great guess.
All right.
10-6-2.
I try those all the time. They never work. They never work. I'm trying to do a backhand flick right there.
Here?
Yeah. And I'm trying to flick it right there, and all I ever do is hit right here. And Jay says, just put it across court. Yeah.
So
Bob
Tracy,
over that way.
sounds like the girls are gonna play in the morning.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, I think Gerlin, Pam, Lena.
Oh yeah, one more.
Okay.
9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Probably,
So you and I are on this side.
Oh, okay.
little red-headed guy. Yeah, she will.